Hey guys, this is Fundon on Wanchopagama. Coming up next on Imbewu this week, Monday. Zethulele Zagiti African out by Nozinho and Zagiti advised Zethulele not to attend the Slee funeral. But Zethulele goes anyway. While Shira is isolated from Nairobi and Mera let on the she go after Nairobi next. Tuesday, having a process in the adjust, adjust of clever treatment towards them, and Tibbs, Lindo, and Lindiwe decide it's payback time. They invite Xavier over to a community under the pretense of threesome. They knock him out with a hard object on her head. Wednesday, Zethulele invites Sibongile to the groundbreaking ceremony, while Lindo and Lindiwe record Xavier naked and splattering. Thursday, Mzwandile ensures Sakile that Slindile will be avenged and use the gun Zetulele treating Nozinho and get the license plate Friday. Mzwandile breaks things off with Kanyo, telling her that he has a business to deal with, while Mira comes clear to Shira about her plan. That is for this week. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and comment and subscribe. Therefore, thanks.